Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to see your applied jobs on ZipRecruiter. So if you want to track the positions you've applied for, then just follow along. First, sign into your ZipRecruiter account and from your dashboard, open the applied jobs or application or my jobs section. Here you'll find a list of jobs you've applied to through ZipRecruiter. Then select any application to view additional details such as the company name, application date, and any available status updates. You may also see whether the employer has viewed your application or taken further action. Checking this section regularly can help you stay organized during your job search. So that was how to see your applied jobs on ZipRecruiter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.